to do. So today is Monday and we have the job. So today we do have a Lenovo laptop that's not turning on. So we have already checked the adapter. The adapter is good. The adapter is good, but the laptop does not turn on. This is the laptop. It's Lenovo Intel Core 3. IdeaPad 3. Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Intel Core 3. So we have already measured the adapter voltage is coming with 20, but you can see here no LED light. And the adapter is good, so let me measure the voltage in adapter. So my multimeter in voltage mode, so I'm going to measure the voltage in adapter. Because the laptop does not want to turn on, we have already changed the adapter, but nothing happened. So you can see this is my adapter. You can see on my multimeter have 20 voltage. So the adapter is good, and if we have already changed another adapter and another, but the problem is not the adapter. The laptop does not turn it on. So let me plug it back again. So I think the problem is on motherboard. Turn the laptop on again, but nothing happened. Laptop does not turn on, so I'm going to disassemble, take out the motherboard so we can fix together. So guys, we have already taken out the motherboard. So I'm going to take out the RAM memory, put aside. So I'm going to measure for short phase. So my multimeter and diode mode. Before I measure the short, what I want to teach you before measuring the short, I'm going to find the first and second MOSFET and the current sensor resistance. So in order to know what's the problem, because it's like you have the short, but the adapter is not cutting out voltage. So this is a 19 volt. This is you can see have the plus 20 here. This is 20. So I'm going to find the first MOSFET. Whoop, whoop. So let me show you. Get it together on my microscope. So you can see here. Checking my microscope. This is the coil, which is from plus 20. This is the first MOSFET. This is the second MOSFET. This is the current sensor resistor. And the power is going to the other part of the board. So let me show you. My multimeter in that mode. So as here, put the one probe here, and the second you can see is beeping here. This is the coil. So after this coil, we're going to get to the first MOSFET, which is this one. Here, we have the first MOSFET. You can see it's beeping. Look. So this is the first MOSFET. And this one, we're going to find the second one. I think the second one is closed here. And this one, this will be the second. You can see the connection here. This is the gate. So let me check here. Yes. After the second MOSFET, we have the testing point here. Then we have the current sensor resistance. After that, the power is going to that part of the board. So I'm going to plug in the adapter and check my multimeter and voltage mode. So plug in the adapter, not see where the power ends or where the power cuts. So my voltage plug, my adapter plugged in. Adapter is plugged in. So my adapter is plugged in. The black probe on ground and plus on. So we have 20 here. Let me show you. Let me show you. On the plus here, on the pin here, you have plus 20.0. On the coil here, look on the coil here, we have 20 also. On the first MOSFET here, we have 20. On the first MOSFET, we have 20 here. Input of the first MOSFET, we have 20. On the output of the first MOSFET, first MOSFET, you have nothing. You can see the power is cut from here. So on the gate here, on the gate, we have nothing. So you can see the voltage is cutting from the first MOSFET. So on the output of the first MOSFET, we have 0. So the voltage is cut by the first MOSFET. So that's the problem in the input circuit. So we have a shorted 19 voltage power rail, or a shorted the main power rail is shorted, which is 20 on this laptop. We have nothing. So what I'm going to do, I'm coming with power supply and inject the voltage from here and check which part is get short by touching, which part is hot. That's the shortest. That is the component that causes the problem or short circuit in this master board. So I'm just coming. So turn off my multimeter, unplug the adapter. I'm just coming to my power supply with 5 volts. So before that, unplug this adapter here. Come with my multimeter first in diode mode to see if there's a short on the board, so that we can use the short killer. You can see the first MOSFET look like not shorted. Aulize wako nje. So you can see from here on the input of the current sensor resistance we have no short. On the output we have beeping. We have a short. Do we have a, yes, we have a short here on the output of the current sensor resistor. So means that the short is from the board, come from the board, not from the second or first MOSFET. So what I'm going to do, I'm just coming to my power supply with only 5 voltage. So let me come with 5 voltage from power supply on the output of the current sensor resistor. So black probe on ground, That's 5 volt is enough, and 3 ampere. So let me show you. And see, 5 ampere, 5 volt and 3 ampere. So I'm going to inject the voltage in the output of the current sensor resistor. Turn on my multimeter, my power supply. You can see power supply is on. Voltage is allowed. Oh, you can see the voltage is dropped to 2.9 and the ampere is rising. So we have the short. So I'm going to find the short by touching on the board. Oh, is the short disappearing? It looks like the short is disappearing. So let's see again. Is the short disappearing or what? I don't understand. The short is like disappearing. So let me test again here. Coming with my multimeter and diode mode. No, the short is still there. So the short is still there. So what I'm going to do, so okay, before injecting the voltage, so let's look on this capacitor, because sometimes we can figure out the dead capacitor or short capacitor through visual inspection. So sometimes we do not use. So look on this capacitor. I think this is a shorted capacitor. Look on this capacitor. Before we inject the voltage on the board, take a look on this capacitor. You can see the capacitor like is shorted. You can see here it's tracking here. So let me measure this capacitor. We have like a cracking capacitor. So I'm sure this capacitor is short to ground. This is the shorted one. So my multimeter and voltage in diode mode, you can see the oh, the capacitor is dead. Look on my multimeter. So let me show you. You can see. Look on this capacitor here. Look on my multimeter there. 1.2 ampere. So on this side also 0.7, which is ground. On this side the plus one, which is 1.3 ohm, 1.7 ohm. So it's the short of the capacitor. So to confirm this, I'm coming to see my short killer. Let's come in this short killer. Ah. So I'm coming short killer. I can see have only 0.5 or 0.6 voltage. So check here. When I inject the voltage here, this is the best method to troubleshoot the short, because you use the low voltage and high current. You can see you take 1 ampere. Means there is a short. So I'm going to find the shorted component. So look on the board. Look on my motherboard. So I'm going to touch. I'm sure that capacitor I showed you earlier. This one will be the shorted one. Yes, this is a shorty capacitor. You can see now we can figure the shorty capacitor by look. You can see capacitor is cracked. So let me show you. Here, check on my microscope. Take a look on my microscope. Look on this capacitor. Look on that capacitor. So I'm going to use the liquid. This is petrol. You can see the petrol there. And check the voltage. Look on this capacitor. You can see the petrol getting dry on this capacitor. Check. Check. Do you see that? Look on that capacitor. I have said earlier, this is a shorted capacitor because it look like cracking. It's like shorted one, or like it's band capacitor. Look on this that capacitor. You can see the petrol getting dry from that capacitor. You can see some smokes. Look on that capacitor. You can see that capacitor is shorted. Look on that capacitor again. Look on that capacitor. So guys, we are going to take out the capacitor because we confirm the capacitor is shorted. So turn off my short killer. I'm going to take out that capacitor. This is the shorted one. So guys, now I'm going to take that capacitor. I'm taking out the capacitor and measure the body again if the short is over or what. Is the capacitor. So turning on my so I'm coming to see my hot air gun, my hot air machine or my hot air gun with 388 centigrade. Just take this out capacitors. So let me shield the other part of the board in order to avoid burning other components. So it means the metal shield to avoid burning other components on this board. I'm going to use the metal shield to avoid burning other components. With my tweezer. So I'm taking out that capacitor. Careful not to avoid burning other components. So just no need to. We're going to take that out capacitors. Hit it directly. Check out this capacitor. The capacitor is really short, it's not want to remove. So the capacitor is out, guys, you can see here. That's the capacitor. So I'm going to put here. So wait for the board to cool. We're going to measure the body again. So wait for a few minutes for the board to cool. Then we're going to measure the capacitor and the board. See the shortage is fully removed or what? And see the capacitor. Look on the capacitor in my microscope. Apply little solder flux. Solder the capacitor properly. To make sure this capacitor is soldered properly. Surplus noise. Reduce some excess flux. I think the capacitor is good now. Can clean that area. Clean the area. Oh, it's looking fine. So that was about to cool. So I'm going to install the board back on the housing so we can test it if the board is turning on or what. So guys, I've already assembled the laptop. So I'm going to test it. We're going to test it together. Adapter is plugged in. Oh, we have an LED. You can see, guys, we have an LED. Before we don't have this. I think the laptop is good. So this indicates that the laptop is receiving power. So I think the laptop will turn on. Wait, because we'll set the BIOS. 1, 2, and see. This is a number to take some time. Oh, ha 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 ha. So guys, we have a picture. So setup nicely. Before to boot device image boot failed, insert recovery media hit NK. So guys, can see laptop is working fine. Caps lock is working fine here. See laptop is working fine. Boot option. Press escape. So it's working fine. So this is how to fix a shattered laptop. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. Thank you. This is Computer Tech Lab. Thank you guys.